into engiye ngizwe abantu abaningi bayisho laba aba-spiritually awoke bathi this is a lonely journey. Baphi abantu esivuke nabo asibaboni, laba esinabo la abasi-understand, siyinkomo nje edla yodwa. So ikona-ke ngoSunday ngicela ukuthi uze lapha ku-live ngo-7 PM Sunday. Namhlanje zingaki zu-6 ku-March 2026. So kusho ukuthi umhla ka-8 loyo Sunday loyo. Uze lapha ku-live TikTok Changes Akash. La khona uzothola ama-details mayelana ne-event ezoba khona ehlanganisa the spiritually awakened people. Angifuni ukuyikhuluma yonke lonto la, ngifuna ukuthi uyizele wena bese uyayizwela, right? Danko.